Hello and welcome again to Clean Nuts. So we're having a look at the Tiger and we're going to try and get it started. Now we need three things to get it started: fuel, compression and spark. So let's see what we've got. In the previous video to this, we put the endoscope inside and saw that we had clean bores and clean pistons. So a quick compression test on all the cylinders. We have compression. So give the spark plugs a quick blast with a torch just to dry them out. They looked a bit wet and a bit gooey. So there's number 3 and there's number 4. Now the fuel gauge shows there's some fuel in the tank, but it didn't smell very good, so let's have a look at it. Just took the fuel line off the carbs and put it into a jug. There it is. Look at the colour of that. That is disgusting. So, time to drain the fuel tank using the car's own fuel pump. Just look at the colour of that fuel. It's going nowhere, that is. That is what fresh fuel looks like. So stick a gallon of fuel in and then flush the pipe out into the jug just to clear the old fuel that was in there out. So there's the better fuel coming through now. Reconnect the fuel line to the carbs. Now I thought I'd just check there was a spark. I don't think you can see it on this video. So let's give it a go. Needs a bit of easy start, get it going. Nearly. Well, it's trying, isn't it? Come on! It's running out of fuel. So I spent the next hour taking out the main jets, the emulsion tubes, the idle mixture screws, and cleaning them with brake cleaner, and putting it all back together and opening up the idle mixture screws. I got a good feeling. Eureka! So I spent a good time adjusting the carbs, balancing them with the airflow meter that I've got there in my hand, and setting the idle mixture screws, trying to get a decent idle. You can hear the effect of adjusting the mixture screws has on the RPM. So under these caps are the emulsion tubes and the main jets. So there's the idle mixture screw, and there, and there, and there. This is the enricher, like a choke. There's the idle screw, there's the balance screw. There's another idle screw here, which was holding that carb open. Right, this is the next day. So this is completely cold. So what we'll do is we'll put the enricher on instead of the choke, and we'll crack it up and see if it runs. So we're missing a fuel cap. Bit of lateral thinking. If the kit is based on a Sierra, maybe a Sierra fuel cap will fit. See if I can get one. Well, the power of eBay enables you to buy a Sierra fuel cap. It must have been sitting on the shelf 20 years. See if it fits. Fingers crossed. Haha. Job's a good one. So there you have it. Like and subscribe and stay tuned to see more of the Tiger and other projects.